So for today's video, we are going to talk about the MindMeister and the XMind, which is we will be comparing the two powerful mind mapping tools. So first in MindMeister, it is a cloud-based mind mapping tool rather focused on the collaboration. And the pros of it is, of course, it has a real-time collaboration as well as giving you a cloud storage and task management features. And the cons, it only offers limited online capabilities and higher pricing for their premium features. While on XMind, it is a versatile mind mapping tool with rich customization options. The pros of it is it has extensive templates as well as they provide elegant design options and some affordable pricing than MindMeister. The cons of it is it also offers a limited collaboration features and a less intuitive sharing options. So, in comparison, choose MindMeister for collaborative mind mapping and choose XMind for detailed customization and some offline use. In conclusion, for teamwork, MindMeister excels due to its collaborative mind mapping, and for individual use and design, XMind is ideal.